SMT bulk component handling, bull feeder versus SVF01 belt feeder. Are manual bulk component placements slowing your SMT production or costing too much in labor? Traditional bull feeders can be large and limited. Southern Machinery introduces an innovative solution for bulk component handling, our versatile bull feeders and the revolutionary SVF01 reciprocating belt feeder. Boost efficiency and precision in your EMS smart factory. Our BF2002D vibratory bull feeder handles diverse bulk odd-form components like terminals and transformers. Its compact double-layer, 4-track design supplies 4 materials simultaneously within just 231 millimeters width, maximizing space. Now, meet the S-MVF01 bulk feeder for components like connectors and square capacitors. It's dramatically smaller, 1/39th the size of traditional bull feeders, with low noise and fast replacement. Plus, it handles bulk directly, eliminating packaging costs. Both offer automatic precision and are built for reliable, durable operation. With over 20 years in SMT and THT solutions, Southern Machinery holds patents in odd-form feeders and serves global leaders like GE and Juki. Our feeders enable auto-insertion on any SMT machine, transforming manual processes into highly efficient automated lines, where one machine equals 10 workers. Ready to revolutionize your bulk component handling? Visit smthelp.com for more details, or email us at info@smthelp.com for a customized solution. Automate your production today.